In this section I'm going to see how to use the column block. So firstly I'll just grab a little bit of fake Latin here from a document. I'll just copy that into memory. Then I go to Pages, All Pages, and in this case I'll go to the FAQ. If I click here, if we scroll down, there's various things we've got. If I click here on where it says Layout Elements, one of the things I've got here is the column block. So if I click on this, then basically I can put text over here. So I'll just paste that in. And if I click here, I can put some text there. And that's basically how you have two columns. There's not much you've got in terms of adjusting that. You can change the colors. So for instance, if I click within the first column, click down here, let's go for a background color of say light blue. If I click within the other column here, I'll go for a light green. So you can do that. You can also change things like drop caps and the text size, but that's pretty much it really. But quite nice for formatting.